Hello, I'm a qualified repair technician here at Mobile Device Workshop, and today we're going to show you the process involved in getting the SIM card reader repaired on your LG G3 mobile phone. As you can see, it is evident that the pins are damaged on the SIM card reader component, which means that the device will not detect a SIM card. For testing purposes, we're inserting a SIM card in before the repair and powering the device on to see what it says with the known working SIM card. It is now fully powered on and it says no SIM card, emergency calls only, as well as the SIM card icon with the red cross. This means that the SIM card is not being detected and that there is an issue with the SIM card reader connector module itself, as the SIM card itself works fine in other devices. A lot of repair centres will class this repair as beyond economic repair or not repairable due to the complexity involved. However, we have the skills, expertise and equipment to perform the repair successfully. The component in question is directly soldered onto the motherboard itself. It is a surface mounted component which is soldered onto the printed circuit board. The motherboard can be accessed by removing the screws on the back housing. There are 8 screws in total and they can be removed by the use of a normal Phillips screwdriver, and once removed you can pry the back plate off from the phone and access the motherboard. The SIM card module will need to be heated off from the motherboard by the use of a hot air workstation so that the component can be replaced by using a brand new part. This type of repair is complex and must only be done by an experienced micro soldering expert, otherwise it can render the device useless. As you can see, we have now replaced the SIM card reader on the motherboard and the pins are absolutely fine. We will use the same SIM card as we did initially. It's a standard sized micro SIM card, and also insert a micro SD memory card in as well to ensure that this is also reading after the repair. Let's power the device on and see what it says. Yes, it has recognised the SIM card in the device. Currently, it is displaying no service. It usually takes a minute or two to show the signal. There you go, O2 UK and full reception on the top right corner to show that the SIM card reader is working absolutely fine. Now let's go into the settings to see the memory card reader is also being detected. We go into General and then down to Storage. And there you go, the memory card is also reading fine. We can repair your device the very same day it arrives at our workshop and post it back out on the same day as well. We offer a 90-day warranty on all of our repairs, and currently we are offering a huge 20% discount for all of our YouTube viewers. Simply click on the link below to benefit from our discounted rate, and all of our contact details are also in the description should you need them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.